How to use Widgetable app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Widgetable app as a beginner. So first of all, just download and install the application in your smartphone. So for that, just go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download the application. And after that, just choose a widget template. Widgetable offers a wide range of template to choose from. You can browse through the template to find the one that suits your personal style or preferences. And after that, just customize the widget. After selecting the template, you can customize it according to you. And after that, just share the widget with your friends. Once you are done customizing the widget, you can go ahead and share with your friends using your email or text messages. After sharing a widget with your friends, you can set it up as your lock screen. Do so, just tap on the add to your lock screen button located at the bottom of the widget screen. Once you authorize Widgetable to access your device lock screen, the widget will be added to your lock screen. So this is how you will be able to use Widgetable app. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.